If you think saving money will make you rich, you've been lied to. And what I'm about to show you might completely change how you see money forever. So before we start, hit subscribe right now, because videos like this can literally change your financial future. Because here's the truth. There are people earning $50,000 a year, building wealth, and there are people earning $200,000, still living paycheck to paycheck. So what's the difference? It's not how much they earn. It's what they do with their money. From the moment we are young, we are told one thing: save money, put it in the bank, and one day, you'll be rich. Sounds smart, right? But here's the problem. Saving money alone will never make you rich. In fact, it might be the very thing keeping you poor. And if no one ever told you this before, make sure you subscribe, because this is the kind of truth schools never teach. Let's talk about something most people ignore: inflation. Every single year, your money loses value. That $100 sitting in your bank today won't have the same buying power next year. And over time, it slowly gets eaten away. So even though your bank balance looks the same, you're actually getting poorer. Imagine this. You save $10,000 over the next few years. You feel proud, safe, responsible. But inflation rises, prices go up, and suddenly, that $10,000 can buy less than it could before. You didn't lose money, but you definitely didn't win. Now here's where things get interesting. Rich people don't think like this. They don't just save money. They make their money work. While most people are saving, the rich are investing. And that one shift changes everything. Because money sitting still dies, but money in motion grows. When you invest your money, it starts working for you. Stocks, businesses, real estate, these are assets. And assets do one thing: they grow your wealth, even while you sleep. If you're starting to see the difference, drop a "ready" in the comments and hit subscribe, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact mindset that separates the rich from everyone else. Poor mindset says, save money to feel safe. Rich mindset says, invest money to build freedom. One focuses on protection, the other focuses on growth. Here's where most people go wrong. They save, but never invest. Or worse, they wait for the perfect time. But the truth is, there is no perfect time. Time in the market beats timing the market. Let's keep it simple. Saving equals security. Investing equals wealth. You need both. But if you only save, you stay stuck. Think about your future. Do you want to just survive? Or do you want financial freedom? Because the people who win are the ones who take action early. So here's what I want you to do right now. Stop thinking like everyone else. Start learning about investing. Start small if you have to. But start. And if you're serious about changing your financial life, subscribe to this channel right now. Because every video here is designed to help you think richer, act smarter, and build real wealth. Because at the end of the day, saving money might protect you, but investing money, that's what makes you rich.